Welcome to the evolution of the Sol de Mayo, a 200-year numismatic journey in Argentina. We will trace the sun's transformation from the 1813 8 reals to the modern coin. We begin with the origins of the Sol de Mayo and the revolution, moving from the 1813 General Assembly to the creation of the first national coins. The Sol de Mayo was adopted by the 1813 Assembly, replacing the Spanish royal portrait. This change signaled the dawn of an independent nation. The 1813 Potosí 8 reales was struck in .896 silver at the Potosí Mint. It prominently featured the early human-faced sun, marking a break from colonial rule. The 32 rays symbolized the May Revolution or districts. The serene facial features reflect Enlightenment values, and the sun's placement above the seal represents the rise of the Republic. The 19th century brought standardization and the rise of the Republic, leading to major changes in Argentina's coinage system. The 19th century saw a transition from the traditional Potosí style under the Spanish real system to more regionalized designs, and finally a standardized European style with the Peso Moneda Nacional. The law of 1881 standardized Argentine coinage, introducing the silver 1 peso, known as the Patacón. Its neoclassical design was refined by French engraver Eugène-André Houdinot. The frequency of sun symbolism varied, peaking at 100% in the early Republic and 85% during the Moneda Nacional era, before dropping to 30% in the modern era. Modern interpretations include the 1994 bimetallic 1 peso coin, which reintroduced the 1813 Sunday design. Commemorative issues have featured the sun in high-relief proofs. Modern minting technology allows for laser-sharp detail in the sun's face, a contrast to the original softer, hand-punched 1813 coins. Collector interest metrics show that the 1813 Assembly sun remains the most sought-after variant. Historic value drives 50% of collector interest, while aesthetic appeal is 30%.